I bet you there's some dogs out on the beach this morning, hopefully leashed. There you go. But back in the studio, we are talking about pet insurance, which can be a financial safety net for unexpected veterinary emergencies, accidents, or illnesses. But many people wonder if the coverage is worth the monthly cost.
Karen Halligan is a veterinarian and author. She's joining us to talk about the pros and cons of insuring your pets. Thank you so much for being here.
Hi,
Well,
Doc Halligan. So good to see you again. Of course.
Yes, and we're tackling a very tough subject, pet insurance. This could be a 3-hour conversation.
It could. You know why? Because I have it, and I've been paying it for my German Shepherd for 5 years, and I hardly ever get any money back.
Well, we have to preface by saying vet costs have gone up 68% in the past 10 years.
Unbelievable.
So it's outrageous because we can do more and more for your pets. And so I think pet insurance can be good. I did so much homework on this because I wanted to do due diligence at 3 minutes. So on my website, dochalligan.com, I have like all everything.
So let's just start here. Should everyone have pet insurance?
I think everybody should consider a policy. And you know why? Because could you both handle a $10,000 vet bill right now?
No. I don't think anybody can.
So guess what? People think, oh, it's not going to happen. My dog's not going to get out of the leash. It's not going to eat grapes. But it does. Now that we talked about how expensive it is, you have to have peace of mind. I've had to do financial euthanasia.
Oh, geez.
And you don't want to be in that situation.
You mean because the owners couldn't afford care? Wow.
And that's horrible. And that's where pet insurance can come in. And I kind of lean more towards accidental and catastrophic versus paying for everything.
For regular routine visits.
And so your policy may not be right for you.
Well, that's what I wanted to ask you, because I find, like, you go to the vet, they have their own insurance that they're trying to sell you. Then at work, you can maybe get a pet insurance policy through work. But there's so many options. How do you know what is right for you?
Well, that's why I did the research. We could spend 2 hours talking about it. DocHalligan.com. I have all the information there. I have questions and tips. But you need to talk to your vet. Like, what kind of dog do you have? The breed? Does it have pre-existing conditions? So, like, if you have a 15-year-old cat that has a heart murmur, arthritis, and kidney disease, are you going to get pet insurance and make it worth it?
I would think no.
No. So, but a young, healthy dog, yes. Think about it early before you need the insurance.
Sure, but there are so many companies. So what are you looking at when you go on those companies' websites to decide which one you're picking?
So they all have an AM Best rating. You want to make sure they're licensed in the state. That's really big.
I never knew that was a thing.
Some aren't even licensed in the state. How long have they been in business? Are they like new? So there's questions you have to ask. And I also say, you have friends that have pets, right?
Sure.
Ask other pet owners. I get an earful. I just had a lady who left. I told her, oh, yesterday I'm going to be on CBS. She said her friend had pet insurance, paying premiums every month and never using it. Dog got into grapes, and she had this huge bill, and she was so glad that she had pet insurance.
Because it finally paid out.
That's right. But again, you've got to see what coverage. It's not about the cost for you. Is the policy right for me? Can I sleep at night knowing that if my pet gets into an accident, it's covered?
But it's also like human life insurance, right?
Absolutely.
Typically, as the dog gets older, it costs more. So if you're watching this segment, you have a 5-year-old dog, a 7-year-old dog, and you're now just thinking about pet insurance, is it worth it at that age?
Well, it can be now because there's a lot of different coverages and companies. It's not one company fits all. So there's some that specialize in older animals. They don't have, you know what a pre-existing condition is? Right. That's where the pet has been diagnosed with something. Well, insurance isn't going to cover that. What's the lifetime payout? Right? Can I use any vet? There's a lot of questions to ask before you just plunk down that, sign the contract. And DocHalligan.com, I have all the information. I did the homework for you. It was hours.
Do you have some favorite companies you want us to check out? I mean, if you were going to start with like a top 3, top 5?
I mean, right off the top of my head, I've heard pros and cons about pretty much every company, but I will say,
so you have to do your homework.
You've got to do your homework. Ask your work if they offer insurance. There's like even different ones like Aetna and things like that that will cover it. And ask your vet. ask other pet owners, and you will get an earful. I get earfuls. Oh, doc, you know, I paid all this, and then I get these like, oh my gosh, high five, doc, I have pet insurance. Because if I diagnose like meningogranulomatous encephalomyelitis, which is a disease, and they'll be like, okay, that's going to be $20,000. Do you have pet insurance? Yes, and we high five because I'm like, I can treat your dog.
Do most of your clients have pet insurance at this point?
You know, it's about 25%.
Oh, that's not
Sadly, only 6% of cats and dogs in the United States have pet insurance.
Wow.
It's still...
Okay, well, we need to look it up. I'm guessing we go to
What's
DocHalligan.com.
What's that?
Girl, you should have just put it on your T-shirt today. You are hilarious.
Doc
Halligan, we love to see you.
Thank you very much.